Hey dear viewer, welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the fascinating world of flavors and nutrition. Today, we're diving into the intriguing tale of salmon, a beloved fish that graces our plates with vibrant colors and tantalizing tastes. Many of us occasionally enjoy a tasty piece of salmon with a meal. But why is the salmon we all love to eat so perfectly colored? Are fish dyed, or does salmon naturally carry its orange-pink color? Salmon is very popular nowadays, not only for its taste but also for its high protein content. There are different types of salmon, including Atlantic salmon, Pacific salmon, and sockeye salmon. These types vary in size, taste, color, and habitat. Salmon is naturally found in the oceans of the Northern Hemisphere. They can be found in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans and often migrate to rivers to spawn during their life. Salmon is known for its rich nutritional profile. It is an excellent source of high-quality proteins, healthy fats, vitamins such as vitamin D6 and B12, and minerals such as selenium and calcium. Salmon is particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as EPA and DHA, known for their beneficial effects on the heart, brain, and immune system. Salmon can be prepared in various ways, including grilling, baking, steaming, smoking, and serving raw. It is a versatile fish that pairs well with various herbs and flavor combinations. Salmon is a significant commercial product and holds economic value worldwide. Countries such as Norway, Chile, Canada, and the United States are major producers and exporters of salmon. It is often considered a fatty fish and is recommended as part of a healthy diet. Salmon is, in fact, a white fish. However, the salmon we all know is not white in color. Wild salmon obtains its bright pink or orange color through its natural diet, which largely consists of shrimp. These crustaceans contain the red pigment astaxanthin, which they, in turn, acquire from the algae they consume. This pigment, a carotenoid, is also responsible for the color of feathers in flamingos. Since farm salmon does not eat shellfish or algae, the color of the fish is much whiter than consumers are accustomed to. But appearances matter. For many consumers, the orange-pink color is synonymous with high-quality fresh salmon. White salmon looks a lot less appealing to many consumers. The term salmon pink doesn't exist for nothing, and fish farmers need to come up with creative solutions to meet that demand. A synthetic variant of the pink pigment is mixed into the feed. Result? The brightly pink orange-colored salmon that consumers are familiar with, and various fish farmers benefit from this? In fact, due to this synthetic form of astaxanthin, farmed salmon often becomes even rosier than wild salmon. The pigment added to the feed is also considered essential for the growth and well-being of the salmon. Adding this pigment to the feed of farmed salmon provides the fish with the necessary nutrients for their development. But is that bright orange salmon fillet really fresher and healthier than a whiter variant? Surely not. It cannot be said in advance which variant is healthier. If there is a difference, it certainly has nothing to do with the color of the fish, says Johan Vereth, professor of aquaculture and fisheries. Those who eat farmed salmon need not worry about their health, because the added pigment is not unhealthy or dangerous. Salmon farmers claim that astaxanthin is even essential for the fish. The added pigment would provide the salmon with the nutrients they need for growth. The question is whether fish farmers would mix less of this dye into the fish meal if consumers also bought white salmon. And that's a wrap on our deep-sea exploration of the captivating world of salmon. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating colors and nutritional benefits that make salmon a standout star on the dining table. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let us know in the comments what we should discuss next.